Hello, my name is Bisharat Masih and I am going to represent a presentation about the methods of mathematical physics. My topic is special functions. So, what is a function? A function is defined as a special association between the set of input and output values in which each input value correlates one a single output value. For example, consider a function f of x is equal to x square, where the input domains and output codomains are the real numbers. Special function is a function usually named after an early investigator of its properties having a particular use in mathematical physics or some other branch of mathematics. Prominent examples are included Bessel functions, spherical Bessel functions, Neumann functions, gamma functions, beta functions, delta function, and Legendre's polynomials. Leonhard Euler was a 18th century physicist and scholar who was responsible for developing many concepts that are an integral part of the modern mathematics. Euler introduced much of mathematical notation used in today mathematics, such as notation of functions to describe the functions and modern notations for the trigonometric function. He was the first to use the letter E for the base of natural logarithms, also known as Euler numbers. So beta and gamma functions which I want to represent, they are also introduced by Leonhard Euler. Beta function is a unique function where it is classified the first kind of Euler integral. The beta function is defined in the domain of real numbers. The notation to represent the beta function is beta. The beta function is meant by Bmn, where the parameters m and n should be the real number. Beta function in mathematics explain the association between the set of input and output. Each input value of the beta function is strongly associated with one output value. The beta function play a major role in many mathematical operations. So the some important property of beta functions are also as follows. Beta function is known as the Euler first integral functions. So next one is the gamma functions. So gamma function is generalization of factorial function to non-integral values. For a positive whole number n, the factorial where n is written as by the sign of factorial is defined by, but this formula is meaningless if n is not an integer. To extend the factorial to any real number, n is greater than 0, where n is a whole number. So gamma function is a function which is show up in many seemingly unrelated fields of mathematics. In particular, the generalization of factorial provided by the gamma function is helpful in some combinatorics and probability problems. Some probability distributions are defined